by the United States Tri-Service Aircraft Designation System formalized in 1962, the following basic codes are used to identify aircraft. A. Attack aircraft, for tactical air-to-surface mission. B. Bomber, for strategic air-to-surface mission. C. Transport, cargo. E. Special electronic installation. F. Fighter. K. Tanker, dropped between 1977 and 1985. L. Laser-equipped. O. Observation, forward air control. P. Maritime patrol. R. Reconnaissance. S. Anti-submarine warfare. T. Trainer. U. Utility. X. Special research.